Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I personally love cauliflower for its adaptability. It blends well with any recipe we add it to. I've made several recipes with it earlier on my channel. You can check out the links in the description. But today I'm going to show you all a really nice Gobi Paratha recipe. This is going to be very comforting. Without waiting, let's get started and check it out. First I'm going to mix the dough for the parathas. For this, to the bowl, add 3 cups of atta, that is wheat flour. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ajwain, that is carom seeds. Give it a quick mix. Now gradually start pouring water and start mixing the dough. Add water as required to make a nice soft malleable dough. So you can see the dough is coming together very nicely. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Close the bowl and let this sit for about 30 minutes. So now we're going to make the gobi filling, that is the cauliflower filling for the parathas. To a large bowl, I've taken 1 medium-sized cauliflower nicely grated. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 large green chili finely chopped. Also add a few finely chopped coriander leaves. So now let's start adding all the spices. Starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now that we've mixed all the ingredients well, I'm going to cook this filling. I prefer making the gobi parathas this way. To a pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the prepared filling and just cook for about 5 minutes. Cooking the filling avoids any moisture that's been released from the onions, so it will not make the dough soggy. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove, transfer the filling to a bowl and cool it completely. After 30 minutes, you can see the dough, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and soft. Divide the dough into equal portions. Now that the dough is divided, let's start rolling out the parathas. Dust the rolling surface with some flour. Place the dough ball, gently flatten it. Place the filling and gently seal it on all sides. So the filling is intact now. Now you can start rolling out the parathas. These parathas are generally a little thick. You don't want to roll it out too thin because then the filling might come out. Prepare all the gobi parathas in this manner and keep them aside. Heat a tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, place the prepared gobi paratha. Cook on one side. After 30 seconds, flip it to the other side. Once you see the brown spots in the paratha, just add a little bit of ghee and spread it across. Gently press it and flip it to the other side. Pour a little bit of ghee and spread it. Make sure the paratha is completely cooked, then remove from the pan. Cook all the parathas in this manner. You can enjoy these delicious and flavorful gobi parathas nice and hot with some nice pickle and curd by the side. These gobi parathas can be enjoyed anytime for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Wow, those gobi parathas look absolutely delicious. Make sure you serve them nice and hot. You can store this filling and refrigerate it, and you can make these parathas whenever you want. Make sure you wash the cauliflower nice and clean before you make this recipe. So do try it, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.